Any configuration that you make to your Cisco device, such as a router or a switch, by default will be copied into the running-config file. Running-config file is located in RAM of your device. If you reboot your device, you lose all the configurations that you've made. In order to retain the configurations that you perform on your device, you need to copy running-config into a startup-config file. A startup-config file is located in NVRAM, and during boot, the content of it will be loaded into running-config file. Copy command can be used to copy content of a source file to a destination file. This command must be executed at privilege mode of router or switch. It's the same for both devices. For example, if you type copy space running-config space startup-config and press enter, you're going to copy the content of the running config into a startup config. Running config is located in RAM. The startup config is located in NVRAM. This way, you're going to retain the configuration that you have made during reboot of your device. There are a variety of show commands, such as show space running-config. This command must be executed at privilege mode of your router or a switch. It's the same for both devices. For example, if you type show space running-config and press enter, the content of that file will be displayed to you. Another show command is show space startup-config. This command must be executed at privilege mode of your Cisco router or a switch. It is the same for both devices. For example, if at privilege mode you type show space startup-config and press enter, the content of a startup-config file will be displayed to you. To go back to previously saved configurations in a startup-config file in NVRAM, in case you made some unwanted changes to the configuration of your device, perform following command at privilege mode. Copy space startup-config space running-config, press enter. This command must be executed at privilege mode. It's the same for both router and switches, and will copy the content of a startup-config file to the running-config file. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.